Well, everybody, this is what happens when I was painting a room at my house, and my dog got a hold of the paint roller. This has not been used, so this doesn't have any paint on it, but she now thinks this is her new toy, my paint roller. So, ready, Lucy? There you go. She loves it. What a good girl. What a good girl. What are you doing with my paint roller? Huh? This isn't a toy. This isn't a toy. Go get it. Come on. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Huh? You like playing with that? Come on. What a good girl. What a good girl. Oh, ready? I know. Oh, I know. Ready? Okay, ready? I know. There we go. What are you doing with my paint roller, huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that your new toy? Huh? Is that your new toy? What are you doing? Come on. Ready? Alright, this is my dog Lucy. She's a Pharaoh Hound Chihuahua mix. Rescued her from Puerto Rico. So we adopted her. She's a rescue dog. What are you doing? She will be 2 in October next month. Ready? Ready? Okay. What are you doing with that? Is that your new toy? Huh? Is that your new toy? Alright, ready? Alright, ready? Let go. Let go. Now, she will start playing with this at 5 in the morning and not stop until, God, whenever we decide to go to bed, so. You let go? Is that your new toy? Huh? Is that your new toy? What are you doing, silly? Huh? Ready? Ready? Okay. Come on. Come see Daddy. Come on. What a good girl. Ready? Ready? Strong, aren't you? Come on. What are you doing? Can't believe your toy. Your new favorite toy is a paint roller. Huh? What are you doing? You're a good girl. Wanna play one more time? There. Oh, almost. Ready? Give it to Daddy. Give it to Daddy. Come on. Yeah. You like playing? Huh? You're a good girl. Come on. Let me see. Come on, silly girl. Come on. Go. You love chewing on that, huh? Oh, I got it. Ready? Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh, good girl.